Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here in TC2000. And if you want to do this, we go right here to the chart and search for a share that we want to create a position on. So let's do right here the Iron Mountain. And then what we're going to do is first of all select right here which account you want to use. I'm using right here a paper trading account, so that is very without risk, so I can do whatever I want. And then what we're going to do is we go here to buy and select right here buy IRM. And then what we're going to do from here is we select right here market order, and then we select right here the quantity. So you can decide right now if you want to have 100 shares or maybe let's say 20 grand in dollars. Then after that, what we're going to do is we select right here the arrow, and then we can decide right here if you want to attach a stop loss or a profit or a attach trailing. Now what we're going to do is we enable the attach profit target. So right here for 10%. And then what we're going to do is we select right here buy IRM with target. We enable this one because the amount of dollars is above our daily limit. And then we do place order. Then what you will see right here is the price where we try to create ourselves a nice position on. And right here you will find a sell order that when he will hit right here that price range, he will automatically sell our order. And that is what take profit means. So this is how you can create a take profit in TC2000. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.